These are the HVAC displays in a McLaren MP4 12C and 650S. Now, the factory displays have a tendency to burn out. This is a factory display. This is an aftermarket display. Now, the aftermarket display, this is the only one on the market to replace just the display. We can tell them apart because we've got little notches right here where we don't on the factory one. But how do you know if yours need replaced? Well, I've got this tester. I can show you. Not a sponsored ad. We can hit start here, and you may see some weird flickering. That's the camera, not the display. You'll notice we've got something to see here where we don't over here. And this is, oh, now see, it came up and went away. And we're cycling through various brightnesses. There's actually two ways that it illuminates the way the system works. And you'll notice before we could, yep, you can just barely see it when it's at the absolute peak. And then it goes away. So if yours are dim like this, or maybe you can see them just a little bit sometimes, it is time to replace them. This is what they should look like. So if yours look like this one and not this one, you can pick up replacements for these on emfautos.com. They're sold individually. If one is going out, odds are the other one is going to be right behind it. So you probably want to go ahead and get two. We typically sell them in pairs for that reason. But you can find them on emfautos.com. There's an entire how-to video in the description of that product on the website. That's how you can tell. If it's not that bright, it's either starting to go or it's already gone. Either way, it's going to continue to fail.